Hey YouTube, Rob here at the Homestead. It's been a week of change up here. A week ago we had probably 10 inches of snow, and it was cold and snowy. And over this week, it's warmed up. It's been up into the 50s and 60s, and we have lost most of the snow. If you go deep in the woods, or if you see behind me where the sun doesn't hit behind our future house here, you'll find snow. But for the most part, let me turn around and you can see down into our front yard that not a lot of snow left there. And it's been a very busy week. We have been extremely busy at work. And it was a mandatory overtime week, so really didn't get a lot done around here. Pretty much exhausted every day I got home from work. But I had a little recovery time this morning, and I think tomorrow will be Sunday, and maybe we'll get a little bit done around here. This is kind of neat. The tractor I parked last weekend, and I haven't moved it since. And let me show you. It's kind of cool. The snow has melted around it. Here, I'll put you down so you can see. See how the rear tires are still up on ice there, but it's hanging. Kind of looks like it's jacked up. All the snow is gone off the slab, so we get some days strung together, and we'll start putting wood down. Everyone knows in the construction business right now that lumber prices are crazy. One of the advantages I have is sitting right back over there, but it still doesn't cover everything. We still have to get sheathing, and pressure treated is just crazy money right now. And we've made the decision that we are going to use cedar, and we'll treat it ourselves. And I think that'll do it. So anyways, I've done some sugaring this week, between all my napping, and I actually pulled all the taps today because I just don't have time to continue on with it. We have enough to last us the year, and that's really all I want. I need to get on the mill and get after it. So I'm gonna show you some videos and of sugaring, and some drone videos of what's been going on over the week. We did some logging last weekend and got some cedar out of the woods, and I've got some video of that. So I'm just gonna put a montage of what's happened over the last week and a half together for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And, so like and subscribe, and we'll see you next weekend. All right. I didn't get much filming in today, but we got a lot done. We worked till noon. I got my oldest grandson's 21st birthday party this afternoon, so I got my wings clipped by noon. But we got 14 trees out of there, and that is a great day for me and a tractor. But having one extra person makes a big difference when you're pulling cable and you're adjusting stuff and you're limbing stuff. So Taylor, he's our president of our snowmobile club, came over and gave me a hand. So I'm gonna go buy him lunch. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.